So guys, it's a beautiful morning out here in Chennai. Look how cloudy it is. It's like almost like 11, yes, it's like 11 o'clock in the morning. And I finally received the neon lights that I ordered like 3 weeks ago. I think it's more than 3 weeks. So I got it like day before yesterday and I haven't even touched it yet. I've invited my good childhood friend right here, Philip. His name is Philip.
Hi.
To help me out to fix the neon lights because it's pretty big. And so yeah.
Hello viewers.
And then
Welcome back to my show.
uh,
Unfortunately, this is my first show. Don't mind that I'm saying this. Welcome back and all.
and then
Then man, suddenly to say how.
so I actually called him to act in a movie.
Hey, that's all don't be telling, man.
And he jumped out of his bed right away and he came running. So I told him he's going to be the next Tom Cruise, Philip Cruise.
Philip Roberts.
Philip Cruise is better, I think. Look at what he's doing. I called him out to act in a movie and he's sitting and he's smoking. Don't be like him. Smoking kills, guys.
Not weed.
Not me.
Smoke weed every day.
Alright, so this is it, and I'm actually planning to put her up on this wall right here, so that when I'm live streaming from there, it'll show at the back. So yeah, let's unbox it and check out how it is.
Hailing cabs and sleeping in airports, running out of pages and passports, living out of a suitcase, trying to find my own place. Turn the dial, nothing's clear on the radio. You're not here, but it's still hard to let go. Drive to a fork in the middle of the road, no telling where I'll end up. Walk down a million steps, trains and cars and jumbo jets to get to here. I've seen so many faces, but I'm still alone. And I haven't lived 1,000 lives, been through hell and still survived to tell the tale. Now I have no more lands and no more plans to roam. Now I'm coming home. Fogs are thick that I can't see the sunset. So many words that I left that were unsaid. Don't know how to do the right thing. Need to stop but can't stop running. Think of home when I look at the skyline. No more cares, no worries or deadlines. Getting on a one-way plane in the night, not bothering to say goodbye. Walk down a million steps, trains and cars and jumbo jets to get to here. I've seen so many faces, but I'm still alone. And I haven't lived 1,000 lives, been through hell and still survived to tell the tale. Now I have no more lands and no more plans to roam. Now I'm coming home.
So we just got back from the hardware store and we got these studs. They call these as studs to fix the acrylic to the wall. And yeah, and a couple of screws to hold these studs. So let's start the installation process and see how it goes. I actually asked them for a purple color neon, but they said that purple is not available, but they have something called deep pink. But it looks kind of a light pink to me. Maybe in the night it might show like a little purplish color tone to it, so I'm not really sure. So after the installation we'll check it out.
Okay viewers, that's it.
We're finally done. So it's kind of bright right now and it looks pretty light. Let me switch on the light and show you guys. I'll record it. I'll record once more again once it's dark, so you'll have an exact idea of how it looks. So they gave me something. It's a 12 volt 5 amp adapter here. This is what is going to power up the neon lights.
Okay guys, soon we'll come with the idea with this adapter.
So I think the darker the room is, I mean the darker the ambience is, the more purplish it looks. With the lights on, it was looking like light pink. But yeah, I'll record again once it's dark, so you guys will have an idea of how it looks. Alright guys, so it's 1 in the night right now, and I just woke up from a quick nap, and I thought it was the perfect time to show you guys how the light looks in the night without any, I mean the neon lights look without, the neon lights look without in the night without any additional sunlight or whatever. So yeah, let me just turn off the light and let me show you guys how the light looks. It actually does look a little purplish. I don't know if it's just the camera or what, but yeah. I like it. Alright, so that is it for this video guys. If you like these neon lights, then I'm gonna drop the link in the description below from where you can purchase it. The company is called The Neon Paradise. They have an Instagram page too called The Neon Paradise, so you guys can check it out. And they're actually based in Bangalore. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. So till then, take care, stay safe, stay blessed, peace.